You might have seen my previous video about International Open Academy's TEFL course. I'll link it above if you are interested in getting a TEFL qualification. Because I already have a TEFL qualification, I thought I'd give another course a try with IOA. So here is my experience of their SEO course, Become an SEO Expert. So a little bit about International Open Academy. They are an Irish company who I've worked with for over a year now since they approached me to be an affiliate regarding their TEFL courses. I only like to partner with brands that I really believe in. I'm a terrible salesperson, to be honest. I can't sell you something if I don't believe in it, because I will just turn around and tell you that it's rubbish. I finally had the opportunity to do one of their courses last year. I actually filmed my doing the course a while ago, but I was so busy with my master's degree I've only just had a chance to actually tell you about it now. And I can say that I have been doing SEO content work freelance off the back of having this qualification on my CV. So yeah, I do believe it was worth the money. Okay, disclaimer, I actually got to do it for free because of being an affiliate and wanting to test it out with them, but would I pay £19 for it? Definitely. So without further ado, here is my review. So I chose this course because I love writing and creating content, and I wanted to improve my knowledge of search engine optimization to get a job within content writing and also to improve the content on my own website, Charlie's English Channel. I wanted to know how I could use writing as a skill in a job within marketing. So let's have a look at what practical skills the course entailed. The course is broken down into 6 modules covering 4 key factors. The 6 modules are Intro to SEO, Keywords, Prepping your site for SEO, Establishing your business and online brand, The power of social media and video, and Bringing it all together. Across these 6 modules, there are 4 key factors that are drilled in and summarised at the end, which is the importance of using 5 to 10 keywords in your content, being consistent with social media, optimising your site and how to optimise a website, and the importance of consistency. Every module is taught with a video by Diego, who is lovely and personable and clearly explains and uses visual presentations and examples of how to optimize content for different purposes. Each module is followed by a multiple choice quiz. If you are new to SEO, you do have to watch the videos to know what the answers could be in the quiz. You can't just cheat. You do need to get that information. Even though they are multiple choice questions, they would be difficult without doing the relevant studying beforehand. You can save the course after each video. You don't have to do it all in one go. You can just keep coming back. You can do a video, save it, come back, do the exam, or you can do a video and the exam and then save it, or do it all in one go if you want. So I'm not going to bore you with every little detail of the SEO course because that might not be something you want to do, and it's available to do with my link down below in the description. For $19, it's usually $119. As I said before, I've got a job from having that on my CV now, so it's worth doing. It might not be the same as having a marketing degree, obviously, but it's definitely better than nothing if that's something that you're looking to change careers into. So the pros of this course, what I liked about it was it's flexible. It's great for a busy lifestyle with lots of different countries going in and out of lockdowns at the moment due to the pandemic. Hopefully if you watch this video in the future that will sound really strange and everything will be back to normal, but more people are working in a hybrid way, working from home, learning from home, and the flexibility really lends itself to modern day lifestyle. I liked the video format. I liked that you aren't just working through kind of an online exercise book or ebook. If you're a visual learner like me, you will appreciate actually being able to see the screen recordings Diego shares of using the SEO techniques in real time. I like that Diego is clear and concise and personable, which is what you need in a tutor. As well as doing the exams to test your knowledge. There are lots of actionable things you can do from doing the course. And at £19 or dollars or euros, it's cheap. I'll be honest, you can find some information about SEO marketing for free on free YouTube videos. I've looked at a lot of them, but none of them have given me the clear, actionable, step-by-step process that this gives. So I do think it's more valuable to do than just researching online for free because of the structure and because of the actual examples given in how to use keywords and how to use tools online that can generate things and help you with that. The cons for me of this course are, it's designed for WordPress, so some advice like to use a Yoast plugin isn't helpful for me because I use a Squarespace website. So I would like to see them maybe improve on the course, add alternative options for people that cannot use the Yoast plugin, because there are lots of different website builders out there now, and WordPress is kind of the head honcho. It's still probably the most well-known one, but others are simpler. I've used WordPress before and I find Squarespace a bit easier to use in the layout. It is specific to those who own a business. So while it is a good thing to have on your CV to apply to other jobs, as I have done, the language used is for someone who is a business owner in mind who wants to grow their business. And it would be good to know how to use SEO, I guess, if you're an employee, or if you want to be employed by a business to do search engine optimization for them. Another con is you do actually have to buy the certificate if you want the physical accredited certification. Now you do get the digital version for free, and I just kept the digital version because honestly, in this day and age, if anyone did want to see proof of it, you can just email it across. So I don't feel the need to have it physically. I do think it's just another way to add a bit more money onto the end. But if you do want the paper certificate, I can't remember the price, I will put it on the screen, but I don't think it's a necessity. So the final con, I would be honest, I think it's a great course, but I don't think it would be worth full price. International Open Academy are a respected brand across online learning, so I do think it's worthwhile, especially when you can get a discount like my discount. I believe once you have bought a course, they offer lots of other discounts as well. So you never really have to buy a course from them at full price. So that's it. That's my whistle-stop tour of the Become an SEO Expert course with IOA. I'm really glad I've done it. I'm glad that now if any of you ask about the IOA courses, I can vouch for them with genuine confidence that I've done a course myself. I've got a job, gaining more experience in writing with search engine optimization in mind. I love the work that I do. Sometimes I have to write about things that I wouldn't personally be interested in, so it challenges my writing. I think I've improved a lot since I did the course. I did the course back in September. If you have a question about this course or any other of the IOA courses, please pop a comment down below. If I can't answer it myself, I can ask the team. They seem to be quite a small company and they always get back to me when I have questions, so I can always pass the answer on to you. If you want to browse their courses, I will put the link down below to the SEO course and my link to all courses. They have hundreds. Like I said, the most popular ones for me is the TEFL and the newer course they have specifically about being an online teacher, which looks quite fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you would give it a like and a subscribe, and I've heard even pressing the little bell to get notifications when I release videos is helpful. I'm hoping to make more videos about online learning, about bettering yourself for the cheapest way possible to change your life. Thanks for sticking around this long, and I will see you soon.